everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to download Blender. Blender is software that allows you to make 3D characters and 3D models for free. So we have two ways to download it, from the Microsoft Store and also from Blender's website. So we're going to learn first how to get it from the website, and then we're going to learn how to get it from the Microsoft Store. So let's start. So first, go to the website that I have in the description, which is blender.org. And then here you have information about Blender. But to download Blender, let's click here on download. And now you can download Blender for Windows. Here you can download Blender for other types of device, like Linux, Mac OS, and more. So this is how you download Blender. So first, open Microsoft Store and then search for Blender. And now, click on the first app. Now you can click on install. So this is how you download Blender from the Microsoft Store. Thank you everybody for watching this video. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. So see you again.